Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to an all-new international taste test challenge starring Akamu and Ali. What we got here today is, you might have to do some of the pronunciations.
Bombolines.
Yes, bombolin, confetti bombolin galletas, also known as cookies.
Where is it from?
I'm assuming Mexico because it says El Mexicano.
Product of Mexico.
Yes, product of Mexico. So, we got that to taste test. We also got some merengues. Okay. And we got some assorted Jello shots kind of thing. No alcohol involved for this episode. They're made in Taiwan. Probably distributed in Mexico, but what is it? We got this stuff from Global Food Market. And half the stuff is from Mexico. So the other half is from the rest of the world. Yeah, we got those sort of flavors, food flavors. And then we got Poparindos. It's these things. It's like tamarinds. Yeah, tamarind candy with chili. And it's kind of like a Laffy Taffy kind of texture.
Okay.
Let's start with chili.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, so Poparindo. Hot and salted. Tamarind pulp candy. Dulce de tamarindo picante y salado. I feel like I've had this before. It smells good. Yeah. These things are not very easy to open. Because it's a very sticky candy. You have to pretty much destroy the wrapper to get to it, okay? Oh, God. So it's very sticky. Like, See? Ready? Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Cheers. Okay, just smack it. Don't play with your food, kids. Okay, let's just eat this. It's not sour, really. I mean, I'm making a sour face, but I don't know if it's considered sour. It's almost like a lime sour. It's not like a lemon sour. I'm not saying it tastes like lime either. I'm just saying like the intensity of the sour. It's complicated. Try it. It does leave a lot of residue on your fingers. You see that, people? No. Okay. Really good though. Got a nice kick to it. Not too spicy. Kind of sweet and spicy at the same time. Well, how much water in here? Assorted fruit Jello Shot.
How do you open this?
There we go.
Immediately smells like Starburst. No, not Starbucks. No.
Starbucks?
Starburst.
Starburst.
It smells immediately.
Sorry, Starbucks. It doesn't smell
this
like
one's
it.
yours.
Okay. Ooh, pineapple. I got pineapple. I don't know where the camera is. It's over there. Pineapple.
How many flavors are in here?
Contains no konjac. What's a konjac?
Mine has strawberry.
Strawberry. Pineapple flavor. Sabor piña. Okay. I feel like I've had these before. Did you have something like this?
No.
Like
Maybe Jello shots.
no, back in Richmond.
No.
Yeah. Okay, you just like squirted all over me.
Be careful while opening these.
Like a Starburst, it's very juicy. Or a gusher. It's very juicy. I'm not trying to eat it, I'm just trying to like tilt it without spilling. It's really hard to do that because I want to show you what's inside. See that? The little dots? It's like pineapple pulp. I'd show you the strawberry one, but it's in our stomach.
Sorry, it was spilling everywhere. I was gonna be messy, so I just had to slurp it up. So that's a pineapple.
How'd you do that? Definitely Jello with pineapple chunks. It's good.
Yeah.
Apparently we've hit our max on sugar.
Right, but the strawberry and the pineapple just taste like strawberry juice or strawberry like.
It's really just like pineapple.
It's
Jello.
good, but it's messy. Okay, so be careful with opening it. That's all. That's all. Okay.
Alright, so what do you want to do next?
Okay.
Meringue time?
Merengue. Merengue time. Merengue. I mean, we all know what meringues are, just in case if you don't know what they are. Here's what they look like. They look like little whipped cream swirls. Like that. Yeah, anyway.
That's what the inside looks like. Not much different. So you know how you get like packaged stuff in the mail, like UPS and all that, and they got the little foam pieces in it? This is what they use. Except not edible. Apparently this is supposed to be edible. It's like chewing on foam like chalk. The flavor's fine. Mine comes with a hole. I got gypped.
It's hard at first, but then once you get there's like that part of it where it gets
Starts to
chewy.
dissolve.
Gets chewy, but it's good. Next,
Lots of sugar.
lots of sugar. That's why we need this to calm ourselves down.
Do you not know how to open boxes?
I do.
You just rip the box in half. It's probably tape. Want some scissors?
Oh no.
Scissors are upside down. That is in this box. This is what we're trying next. It's full of
It's
those
so
things.
small.
It's like a big box of Poparts, but cookies.
It's so small. Oh. Well, that one fell. Let's try that again.
Alright.
It's so small. Can you say so small? They make them look like it's huge.
Try this again.
That's a...
Okay. Try this again. Okay, got it. I got it.
Ow.
This is really good.
It's interesting.
Reminds me of something.
Pop-Tarts.
Yeah. They're packaged like Pop-Tarts. Look like cookies. But essentially they're Pop-Tarts.
One thing that threw me off was little confetti stuff or whatever.
Sprinkles.
Whatever. Like, that's the only thing that threw me off. But besides that, it was really good. It was really, really good. Really good. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna have that
I
later.
mean, if you get Pop-Tarts
have
with
that later.
sprinkles on it.
Okay.
If you get Pop-Tarts with sprinkles on it, it's essentially the same thing.
Okay. Sorry. I had some stories before this episode, so I'm a little kind of. So yeah. So what'd you think? Which one was your favorite of them all? Which one's your favorite?
I would say the Pop-Tart tasting one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that. It was good. It was a little too small for me. Gotta say my favorite was probably the tamarind, just because like it's sweet, but it's spicy and it's sticky and it's just yeah, these are my favorites. I'll be eating this later.
Comment section below. Let us know if you've had any of these and what you think, or which ones you would like us to try later. Not obviously the ones in this video. You scratched me.
Sorry.
But not the ones necessarily in the video, because we just tried those. But if you have any new ideas for any new episodes for us. My hair is like crazy.
So,
Right.
just wait till the next video, and we'll see you guys then. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And now we challenge you to try this.
Yes.
We're out.
Peace.